Today I thought I'd demonstrate this device called the Clipless Stand Machine. And basically what it is a stapler that doesn't use staples. So basically it will staple two pieces of paper together without using any staples. So it has no staples or anything like that in it. So it's supposed to go together like so. And press down, and out comes the stapled paper. I believe the tab is actually supposed to insert itself into this hole, or maybe you do it manually, I'm not sure. But there we go here. That's fastened together like so. Anyway, that's the Stapleless Stapler. So it's a probably turn of the century, turn of the 1900s that is, so about 1900, 1905, something like that. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe and watch our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, etc. Take care, folks.